Good afternoon, student. Today we will continue our previous chapter, chapter number 7 from civics, social aspects of gender role. We have already discussed in previous classes that the meaning of gender and the what is the social aspects of the gender role and what is the role of gender in a family. Today we will discuss about the gender roles in a community. What is the role of gender in the community? A stereotypes can be termed as an image or idea of particular type or person or thing that has become fixed through being widely held. Some examples of prejudice, prejudice and stereotypes prevalent in the society regarding boys and girls are as follows. And what is the point? That the girls are a burden on their parents. Next one, that is girls are physically and mentally weak. And the next one is that the girls are not able to play outdoor games. Girls are emotionally weak. Girls are full of superstition. Boys are naughty. Boys are physically and mentally strong. But all these points we are not agree. Why? Because here is some example that the astronaut Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams cannot be considered as physically, mentally, or emotionally weak. Gender roles in school. What is the role of boys and girls in school? You know that the schools are the temple of learning, and the children gather here, come here to gain knowledge and develop various skills. They learn many social behavior like discipline, team spirit, cooperation, rules and regulation in the school. But many rules and regulation are same for boys and girls. But some rules are different also. For example, school uniform. But you know that the some institution had the same uniform for boys and girls. In the village, especially girls spend a large part of their day doing household works. They are not considered to be the breadwinners. It means that the earning member of the family. When a family faces any hardship, the education of the girls is the first thing to get affected. And the next one topic is that the gender roles in the public places. For centuries, you know that a woman is viewed as an object. All the male behave like a object. This belief has influenced the attitude of people towards women. A serious features of public places. What is the serious features of that the incident of violence against women is taking place these days. A woman is subjected to act of ave teaching. All the women and girls are facing ave teaching, molestation in public places, and sexual harassment at workplaces. And the last topic is that the gender equality. What is the equality of gender? All these facts show the role of a gender in creating unequal and hierarchical relation in a society. Although genders inequality are still prevailing in our society. You can see in our surrounding, in our family, in our society, that the different behave regarding the boys and girls, males and females. In the present scenario, women are not only competing but also walking with their head held high in all walks of life. Nobody can say that the women are weak, women are mentally, physically weak. All the girls and all the females are equal to the men and boys. And these today this chapter is completed, and in the next class we will discuss about the question answer. Okay, thank you.